So guys, a quick analysis on our pound pair for today. Let's dive in to our pound index, a quick analysis by the way. So please, if you are new, do not forget to subscribe. I need you to subscribe before you go. Before you go, please subscribe, like and share. Our pound index, as we can see on the long run on our day time frame, by the way, we can see that we are actually going bearish. We are actually on a bearish move, a long bearish move. Now let's see a quick our 4-hour time frame. By the way, we are trying to predict where our price will be going for today. As we can see that our price is actually bearish, as if we are to analyze our pair, by the way. So we can see that our price is actually, given that we've gotten that when we got this drop, we actually get this something called a pullback up. And what are we aiming for now? We're actually aiming for another drop and to break out this lower low. So probably for today, we should actually be seeing that bearish move. Why? Because if you have to analyze our pound USD index, you see that our pound is actually dropping massively. Our pound is even going to be dropping today same. If you are to analyze it, if you are to analyze our pound JPY, you will see that our pound is also going to be dropping against our JPY, and you can see our index, how our pound is giving us that move of wanting to break below, go down and everything. That is why I said for today we would want to be actually be going bullish and bearish, sorry, pushing down for today, giving us at least, if you can grab about 70, 80, even 90 pips. So let's say you can grab in 75 pips on our pound index, by the way. So we are waiting for a drop on our pound index. We can see our price is actually push down, giving us that pullback. Now we're actually waiting for another breakout. If you can hit this area here, then definitely we can actually now start looking for a breakout downward on our pound index. Now our next pair, since our pound will be going down, any pair relating to it should actually be going bullish, right? As we can see now, our euro pound, as we can see that our pound is actually going bearish, and we can see that we saw something like a retracement here. Let's see if we actually get a little bit of fall on our euro USD pound, then we actually now see that bullish move. We are waiting for to see any pair relating to our pound to actually be giving us that bullish move while the pound is dropping. So definitely we would want to be aiming to take our buy on our euro USD. So I'm waiting for a bullish move, a little bit of bullish move on our euro pound for today. By the way, on our 4-hour time frame, we should actually be aiming for a little bit of push up on our euro pound. Next one is our pound CAD. As you can see, our price has actually moved here. That's giving us this multiple rejection here, giving us like price has given us multiple rejection. Like so, we are aiming for a bearish move on our pound, right? So definitely, I'm waiting for a 4 on my pound odd for today. So let me see on my 4-hour time frame. If you can actually get that 4 to hit this area here, then we can actually take our profit and opt out. That should be giving us about 100 and 100 plus pips. This pair is volatile. Is the pips is just it's once high and something like that. It has a very good fast movement on it. So that is why probably when we are going shorting it, we want to be shorting to this our liquidity area, then take our profits and opt out on our pound odd. Our next one is our pound New Zealand. I feel that our pound want to be dropping on our pound New Zealand. Let's see if our pound will actually drop on our pound. By good, let's see our 4-hour time frame. Let's see if we actually get that drop. So this is my area here that I'm just going to be marking. That should be giving me about 100 plus pips also, by the way. So a drop, I'm waiting for a drop on my pound New Zealand on my 4-hour time frame. Same thing with my 1-hour time frame, as you can see, or 1-hour time frame. If I want to market as a resistance whereby our price has reacted to this area very well. So we should be waiting for a drop, or we should be seeing a drop on this our pound New Zealand. Our next one is pound CAD, by the way. Same thing, I'm looking for a drop on my pound CAD, by the way. So on my 4-hour time frame, let's see if our pound, as you can see, we are even on a bearish run. We got this bullish bearish down, we got this retracement, a bullish retracement. Now we are actually not going for a bearish move. let's see if our price will be able to eat out, take out this our liquidity area here before we actually continue bearish. And now lastly, we see our pound Swiss franc. By the way, our Swiss franc is actually falling rapidly, so I feel on my pound Swiss franc I'll be going bullish on my pound Swiss franc, because if you are to analyze our Swiss franc, we see that our Swiss franc is actually giving us that bearish move, by the way. So let's see if our pound will actually be able to give us a push up for today, then we actually not see that drop. So by the way, let's see our price react for today on our pound Swiss franc. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.